The joy of reading, my favorite hobby. My name is Anna, and I want to talk about my hobby. My hobby is something I enjoy very much. My favorite hobby is reading books. I like reading in the morning and before I sleep. Books take me to different places. I can visit new worlds through stories. I enjoy reading adventure and fantasy books. Sometimes I read romance novels too. Reading helps me relax. When I feel sad, books make me happy. I also learn many new words. Reading improves my English. I go to the library every weekend. The library is quiet and peaceful. I borrow 2 or 3 books every week. My favorite writer is J.K. Rowling. I love the Harry Potter series. The story is magical and exciting. I also read comic books. They are fun and colorful. Sometimes I read books on my phone. I use an app to read ebooks. I like reading both in English and in my language. Reading makes me smarter. It helps me in school, too. My teacher says reading is a good habit. I want to read more books this year. I have a small bookshelf in my room. I keep all my favorite books there. My parents buy me books for my birthday. I always ask for books as gifts. Reading is better than watching too much TV. I feel proud when I finish a book. I talk about books with my friends. We share our favorite stories. Sometimes we exchange books. I like reading outside when the weather is nice. I sit in the garden and read. The sound of birds makes it more relaxing. I also enjoy reading in bed. It helps me sleep better. I dream about the stories I read. I want to write my own book one day. I think reading will help me become a writer. I keep a reading journal. I write the names of books I finish. I also write short reviews. I like keeping track of what I read. Reading is part of my daily routine. I try to read at least 30 minutes every day. My hobby is not just fun, it is useful. I feel happy when I read. I forget my problems while reading. Books are like friends to me. They never make me feel lonely. When I travel, I always bring a book. I read on the bus or train. I also read while waiting in line. Reading is easy and cheap. You just need a book and time. I want to read faster and better. I am working on improving my reading speed. I also want to understand more. I use a dictionary when I don't know words. That helps me a lot. Reading helps me write better sentences. I learn how to spell words correctly. I also learn grammar through reading. My reading skills have grown a lot. I read both fiction and nonfiction. Fiction is fun, but nonfiction teaches me facts. I read about animals, history, and science. Every book gives me something new. I enjoy reading about people from other countries. It helps me understand different cultures. I feel more connected to the world. Books make me think and imagine. I sometimes laugh while reading funny stories. Some books make me cry. Good books touch my heart. I talk to my parents about the books I read. They are happy I like reading. I also recommend books to my classmates. Reading is something I can do alone, but it also brings people together. We can read and talk about the same story. That makes it more fun. I will never stop reading. I want to read all my life. My hobby is special to me. Reading makes my life better every day. Thank you for reading about my hobby.
Speak English anywhere.